So our very last Moodle block, we have two different sections to go through, and we've got almost 2 weeks. So we are going to cover properties. And so what you're going to want to do is go through the key points on properties, watch the video, and then complete the Code Easy exercises. And the ones that you need to turn in are the ones that I have specified. Okay, and as far as helpful hints go, there's 5 exercises, and I have helpful hints for 4 of them. So it is wise to check these before you spend a bunch of time on those exercises, because these will definitely help you. Once you finish the Code Easy exercises, make sure you do the screenshots and put that in the Dropbox, and then you can move on to the lab assignment. And the lab assignment is focusing on properties. And so I am giving you some code in text files that you can copy and paste because our focus is going to be on properties. Okay, so these would be shorter for you. I mean, not that the code itself is shorter, but what you have to do is not going to take too long because I'm giving you the majority of the code. There is a video that explains everything, and then there are similar examples in the key points. And then for additional resources, I just have a website or web page that focuses on C# properties. For the second lesson in this block, we are going to be covering exceptions and exception handling. And so you're going to want to go through the key points because this really explains in depth what exception handling is. And I can tell you that every programming language includes try and catch. That is pretty universal. So what you're learning here definitely applies to other languages. And I have given you tons of examples to kind of look through and some background information on exception handling. Then you're going to want to go through the Code Easy exercises. And you can see we have 6 of them for this particular unit. These are the only ones you need to complete. And as far as hints, I believe we have hints for all of them. So again, make sure you look at these hints because it is going to save you some time. Once you are done with the Code Easy exercises, you're going to put your screenshots into the Dropbox and move on to your very last programming assignment. And there's a couple exercises here. And again, I am giving you some text. And you'll see where I have comments is where you need to add your try and catch. Okay, so you'll take this kind of as is and add the try and catch error handling to it. For the second one, you are going to be working with property syntax. So you're going to copy and paste the code from the file into your program. You can run it, and then you're going to convert the private fields into regular property syntax. And that is because you have to check age. So you can't use auto-implemented properties for that. Okay, so that'll give you a little practice doing that. There is a similar program in the key points that you can look at that does the same thing. And I do have a video overview that explains exactly what you need to do. Once you're done, you're going to copy paste your code, put it into the Dropbox, and move on to your last test. And this is cumulative. Total points is 75. And again, you are going to be able to retake the test. There are 31 questions, and the difference between this one and the other tests is you can take it an unlimited number of times. Okay, as long as you you finish before the end of the semester, okay, before it closes. Okay, so hopefully you all will do well on that. And let's see. Yeah, that close date is going to change because our semester ends before that. So it will be open through May 6th. Okay, or maybe May 5th, whatever that Friday is. Yes, Friday, May 5th. That is when that test will close. So you guys have plenty of time to get an unlimited number of times in. And as far as additional resources, there are some pretty good sites on exception handling that I have included in here. So if you have any problems this week with your Code Easy code or the lab assignments, please reach out for help because I am here to help you. And this is the end. Once you finish that last unit test, you are done. Yay. So it has been a pleasure working with all of you. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a great end of semester.